In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed a Google Sheet directly inside Notion, step by step. This is perfect if you want to view, share, or manage spreadsheets without constantly switching between tabs. Whether you're tracking projects, finances, or collaborating with a team, embedding Google Sheets in Notion can massively improve your workflow. We'll go through the full process from start to finish, and by the end of this video, you'll have a live Google Sheet sitting right inside your Notion page. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple productivity and software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Google Sheet. This can be an existing spreadsheet or a brand new one. Once the sheet is open, look up at your browser's address bar. What you want to do here is copy the full URL of the Google Sheet. Make sure the sharing settings on this sheet allow access for the people who will view it in Notion. Typically, setting it to anyone with the link as a viewer works best. Once the link is copied, we're done on the Google Sheet side for now. Next, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to embed the Google Sheet. This can be a workspace page, a project dashboard, or even a personal notes page. Click anywhere on the page where you want the spreadsheet to appear. Now, on your keyboard, type /embed. As you type, Notion will bring up a list of block options. From this list, click on Embed. This tells Notion that you want to embed external content using a link. After clicking Embed, Notion will show you a field asking for a URL. This is where you paste the Google Sheets link you copied earlier. Double-check that the link is correct, then click on the Embed Link button. Notion will now load your Google Sheet directly inside the page. After a moment, you'll see the spreadsheet appear as an embedded block. You can scroll, view data, and interact with it depending on your permissions. You can also resize the embed by dragging the edges, or move it anywhere on the page just like any other Notion block. One important thing to keep in mind is permissions. If someone opens your Notion page but doesn't have access to the Google Sheet, they won't be able to see the content. To avoid issues, make sure your Google Sheet sharing settings match your use case. If you want full collaboration, give edit access. If it's view only, viewer access is enough. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully embedded a Google Sheet into Notion, making your workspace more powerful and connected. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.